Well, you said pumpkin patch. With Halloween coming up, Paul, it's the perfect time to get creative in the kitchen. From ghostly goodies to simple spooky snacks, homemade treats could be a fun way to celebrate the season and impress those little trick-or-treaters out there.
That's right. Chef Robyn Collins is a pastry instructor at the Gourmandise School in Santa Monica Place. She's joining us with some DIY recipes. Thank you for being with us this morning, Chef Robyn.
Thank you for
I was first asking you to tell us more about the school. You guys teach people who just want to learn to cook for fun.
Oh yeah, it's a recreational school. We have parent and child classes, we have adult classes, we have teen classes. We can teach anybody here.
Well, you have two adult-ish people today. So what did you bring as far as Halloween treats?
All right, I got a couple of things for you. I have chocolate Haystacks.
Cute. Adorable.
Right. I have some shortbread cookies. I heard that was your favorite.
That's my favorite, girl.
All right. I have chocolate chip cookies
I
that
love
look little
chip.
ants.
Yes.
You was eating those Whoppers.
I was eating the Whoppers over here earlier. Yes, I was.
I have these vampire whoopie pies.
They're
made with
cute
pumpkin,
too.
so
they're made
definitely
with pumpkin.
seasonal.
I'm very excited about that.
And we have some chocolate cupcakes.
And you can't go wrong with the cup. I also noticed there's some decorating tools
Yes.
over here right now.
We get to work.
So do we get to
I
try
have little
our
vampires that are not ready yet.
Cool.
Oh, I'm so but look how ready they are. This is what I appreciate.
Well, she teaches children, she told me.
I had to get ready.
She's actually the perfect instructor for
Exactly.
us.
So how did you go ahead and make this? Just so we know.
This is a pumpkin whoopie pie, and then I put cream cheese frosting in the middle.
Okay.
And then little marshmallows for their teeth.
Cute. And the eyes.
The chocolate that I use for the Haystacks is for the eyes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put these little fangs in there.
Okay, so how do I do the
You're gonna
fangs?
take this jam. I have one too, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it.
Yeah, help us out.
I'm gonna give you this one.
I'm
Let me
gonna hand
give
this
Sheba
over to
one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, we're a little assembly line here.
This is blood.
This is raspberry jam.
It's
Well, I meant what it's supposed to be.
it's
it's
blood.
vampire.
She's like, no.
We're putting fangs on,
Okay,
so it's a
got it.
little Dracula.
So you're gonna take these little slivered almonds, and you're gonna poke them in wherever you want this guy to have some
we
teeth.
gotta start with that. Okay.
Yeah, just shove them in there.
And you shove them just between the marshmallows.
Yeah, wherever you want. You can give them a little buck teeth.
Glorious.
Yes.
Get creative.
Okay, mine's got fangs now.
All right, and so you're gonna take this jam and you are going to put it a little bit at the bottom, maybe, however you want that drip to go. I like it on the top.
Oh yeah, you go a little cray cray.
Mine doesn't look menacing. Mine looks like a fish.
Oh, mine got a little out of hand. She's got a little sore tooth over here.
I want to suck your blood.
There we go. But what I love about this, especially when you do have kids, is that when you go to cook with them, it's almost like you have to be entertaining them at the same time, or they get bored. So tell us kind of how you came up with some of these, and what are some easy things for parents to do at home to get their kids involved.
These are definitely easy. This is from our children's parent and child class.
Oh, it is.
So they're definitely easy for children. You just take like some chocolate, toss them with those Chinese noodles you probably have in your pantry, and put a little googly eye on it.
And then where do I find the little googly eye?
You can find them at any store that sells sprinkles, even Michael's craft store. I was gonna say, who's open now?
Right.
Michael's
that's
so true. They have it.
But those are so cute, and I love those. And then
these are shortbread cookies, and I put the same frosting from the cupcakes on there. So
yeah, look at that.
That adds like a little dynamic to it.
And sprinkles really make everything go.
Well, let me taste it.
But I also then you're themed too. You got the little monster mash going on.
I tried to keep with the Halloween theme.
I am because I do like Whoppers.
You do love the Whoppers, so go ahead and try those.
Chips, so I'm gonna try. But it's a little. I love you did the Whoppers and the little googly eyes on the chocolate chip cookie.
Chef, the cookie is so good.
It's soft.
Yes.
Biteable. I don't want the icing to squeeze out, so you make them nice and tender.
Okay. Wow. So this is the other thing my mom and I talk about all the time. She and I are both cooks. We love to cook. We are not bakers. So what hint do you have for me to actually me wanting to do this?
You just need some patience.
Is that what it is?
Pastry
because see how you wanted to make it soft. In my head, I might want to make it soft, but it comes out crunchy as the day is long.
You gotta have a timer. Have a timer on the oven. All right.
Maybe we just need to take one of your classes. How can people do that if they just want to come and get this done with you?
Okay, so we're located in Santa Monica Place, right by the pier.
I was gonna say it's by the pier.
Right by the pier. Yeah. You could even take the train. We're the last stop on the metro stop to get there if you don't want to do the parking. But there's plenty of parking there. We're on the 3rd floor.
Nice.
And you can go to our website and pick any of our amazing classes. We have so many chefs that do different things. Cajun cuisine. We do sushi classes. I do pastry. I specialize in Polish food, so you know, a little bit of everything.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
She just popped it out. I wasn't ready.
The Gourmandise School. We'll be on the metro there soon. We need your help. Chef Robyn, thank you for being with us this morning. Guys, for more information on the Gourmandise School and their cooking classes, check out our website, cbsla.com, and click Seen on TV.